Today, you're going to get 3 stocks that are most likely to go up tomorrow. My name is John Coda. I am a stock trader of 10 years here to give you guys the absolute best stock plays for tomorrow. So welcome to the channel and let's check them out. Alright guys, here we are with BWV. This is stock number 1, Blue Water Vaccines Incorporated.com. Now, if you guys feel that my stock tips are helpful, that you'll be able to make some money with what we share on this channel, then please drop a like button on this video, because that really helps this channel grow. It helps other people get the knowledge as well, and it helps other people become profitable traders, because that's really the point of this channel, is to make traders profitable. And that's something that's really difficult, because trading is not easy, especially starting out, which is why you guys need everything possible in your favor. One of those things is coaching, so that I'm here to give you that coaching. I'm here to give you a trade plan, and I'm here to give you plenty of time to think about it. As far as I know, I'm the only channel that actually gives you guys a full day to think about which stocks to invest in and where to invest in them and how to actually trade them. So thank you guys so much. Let's go ahead and take a look at BWV here. We're looking for the stock to pull just above $6.82. Once we do so, we can take an entry, and we want to get out around $7.20. Okay, so we do want to get about 30 to 40 cents on this play. Not looking for more than that, but again, only my Rocket Trader Pro students are going to be able to be with me when the stock actually gaps and has an open. And I'll be dropping it down in the Discord for free in the link down below, so you guys can feel free to check out both of those. And what we're really looking for with this stock is for that break of that level. We're not trying to get a whole lot out of this stock, but it does have potential to push up further. So I don't see any crazy resistance until around the $10 level. So technically, if we buy this stock and it's behaving well, we can get from $6, where it's at right now, all the way up to $10. But we have to be really careful when we trade it. Make sure to manage your risk. Trading is risky. If you guys do not manage your risk, then that's to me, that's like shooting yourself in the foot. Do you guys really want to shoot yourselves in the foot? Take a look at BWV, make sure that you get it on confirmation, and don't buy it after it's pushed up too much, because otherwise you're going to end up a bag holder, and bag holders make me sad. Bag holders, for those of you that don't know the terminology for it, those are traders who get stuck in a trade. Okay, they get stuck in a trade. They're not able to get out of the trade because they didn't sell their position at their stop loss, and now they feel that the stock has gone too low. They feel a stock has gone too low, and so now they will not exit their position because they don't want to, quote unquote, lose the money. Well, potential loss and actual loss are pretty much the same thing. So a lot of times what happens with those bag holders is they are trying to get out of a stock. They're waiting. The stock goes lower and lower, and they want to see the stock come back to their break-even point, because in their head, I got to at least get my money back. That's what they're thinking. We've all been there. I've been there. I got to at least get my money back. I got to at least break even, or I'm not going to get out of the trade because I don't want to lose money. Of course, who wants to lose money? Nobody wants to lose money. But we have to control our losses. And by holding on to losing positions, a lot of times we end up losing more money. Okay? So would I rather you guys lose a little bit of money or a lot of money? I'd rather you guys lose a little bit of money, especially when you're trading, and there's a lot of money to be made. If only we allow our losses to say nice, tiny, small, little losses, little puny losses, and then let your wins be huge, gigantic, large wins. That's what I need to see from you guys. I want to see those big wins, and I want to see those tiny losses. So make sure that you manage your risk. Use a stop loss. Second stock of today is JCSE. JCSE. This is JE Clean Tech Holdings. I've been watching this stock for a while and actually hit my profit target after all this time. Of course, my alert was disabled, so I wasn't able to catch it on the run up. How sad. Nevertheless, I want you guys to be able to trade this tomorrow if we get confirmation. In other words, I want to see it come above this 260 level, sell at $2.87. All right, this is JCSE. I've done the analyzation for you. You're welcome. Now you guys can trade this stock and get a nice pretty penny for it. Now this stock is a little beaten down. It's a little gross. It's a little iffy. So I want you guys to be careful when you're trading it. It's not like you can technically expect it to really come back up after this kind of beat down. It really got beaten down, but it pushed up so much that it still gives me hope, you know, because it's right there at the base of the mountain. For it not to have just a little bounce, like that same kind of bounce that you get when you throw orange on the floor, you know, it's just a little bounce. It doesn't really bounce like a super ball, but you know, it bounces, right? So if we can get that kind of bounce out of it, then that would be good enough for me. First profit target is actually around 275, and then the second one would be at 286. So I'm actually okay with 275 for this one. Hello? Yes, so that's JCSE. And finally, we have one more stock that's going to be on the watch list for today, and that stock is APDN. Now, this is the big winner, okay? APDN can have a massive run-up. APDN has a ton of potential. If we see it break this $4.26 level, then by all means, we can get a huge win out of APDN. This is my #1 play for the day because it has so much potential. Additionally, this gap up in the aftermarket that has maintained shows me that the retail interest and possibly institutional interest is again picking up with this stock. We saw this stock as high as $9 before, so if we can get a continuation of that, then it can be really good for us, right? Again, our 3 stocks for tomorrow are BWV, JCSE, and lastly, APDN. These are the 3 stocks we want to take a look at tomorrow. Make sure to enter on confirmation. Make sure to have a stop loss handy so that you guys limit your risk and don't end up holding positions, becoming bag holders, losing money, getting stuck in a position over time. We do not want that, right? So go ahead and use that stop loss as we plan, get in at the correct levels, and then exit the position at our agreed upon profit targets, right? We want to exit at our profit targets. Now, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get access to more trade plans. And again, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for spending this time with me in the stock market, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.